In the operator's manual, there's 5 points of safe machine operation. The first one is going to be avoiding hazardous situations, any situation that might be around here that could be hazardous. The second one would be doing a pre-operational inspection. And that's going to be an inspection where we walk around the machine at the beginning of the day and check the machine to make sure it's in a safe location and that nothing has dripped, oils and things like that. The next thing is a function test, running the machine through its functions and making sure everything's working properly. The next thing that we look at is a workplace inspection. Again, looking at where we're going to be using the machine. Are there any overhead power lines? Are there any manhole covers or anything like that that we're near? So this machine is intended to lift personnel and light tools up to do tasks, not using it as a boom to lift other products onto the roof and things like that. Some of the things that we have right here are our lanyards and our harnesses. So we want to make sure that we have the appropriate harness and lanyard when we're in this machine, so that in the event that we hit a bump or something was to happen, we stay in the platform.
Now, is that something you guys bring, or is that something we're supposed to buy or have?
So this would be something that you would purchase through Home Depot, and that you could have with you. Now we have a few different items here. We have our harness, a full body harness that we'd put on. Along with that harness, we have 2 different lanyards. Now this is a restricting lanyard. It keeps you in the platform. We want to use this harness anywhere from 0, the ground, to 18.5 feet. Now the next one that we have is a 6-foot shock absorbing lanyard. Now this 6 foot gives us a little bit more mobility in the platform and allows us to move around the platform a little bit easier. The issue though is with this, if we were to leave the platform and we were below 18.5 feet, we could potentially hit the ground, because if we take a 6-foot person, we have a 6-foot lanyard, 3-foot shock, and a boom that can deflect up to 3.5 feet, why then we still could hit the ground. Anything above 18.5 feet, we can use this. Anything from 18.5 feet and lower, we want to use this.